case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2011, a critical legal case, McIntyre Machinery Limited v. Nicastro, was heard by the Supreme Court of the United States. The main contention revolved around whether a manufacturing company can be subject to personal jurisdiction in a state simply because it was cognizant that its products may be sold there, due to its nationwide distribution system. However, the Supreme Court emphasized that a company must take a purposeful action directed at a particular state for it to be subject to personal jurisdiction. The case was initiated when British manufacturer McIntyre Machinery Limited was sued in New Jersey by Robert Nicastro for an injury he sustained while operating one of their metal shearing machines. Despite having no operational or sales presence in New Jersey, the company did distribute its products throughout the U.S. and had attended trade conferences stateside, but not particularly in New Jersey. The legal dispute found its way to the Supreme Court of New Jersey, which initially ruled in favor of Nicastro. It held that the New Jersey courts had jurisdiction over McIntyre based on the premise that the manufacturer was aware of its product's nationwide distribution, which could include New Jersey. However, when appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, the decision was reversed. The court held that the criteria for establishing jurisdiction over absent foreign defendants were not well defined and required clearer articulation. It further clarified that a manufacturer's anticipation of potential distribution nationwide does not grant the state courts personal jurisdiction. It buttressed that purposeful availment is established when a company intentionally targets its actions towards a specific state, signaling an intent to partake in its legal protections. Consequently, the court ruled that knowing a product's possible sale in a state doesn't, by itself, constitute purposeful availment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.